தமிழ்நாடு அரசின் சிறந்த ஆசிரியர் விருது, சிறந்த ஆராய்ச்சியாளர் விருது உள்ளிட்ட 17 சிறப்புகளை பெற்றவர். திண்டுக்கல் காந்தி கிராமிய கல்வி நிறுவனத்தில் மரியாதைக்குரிய துணைவேந்தர் முனைவர் எம். பஞ்சநாதன் அவர்களை வாழ்த்துரை வழங்க வருமாறு பணிவன்புடன் அழைக்கிறோம்.
Honorable Academic Governor of Tamil Nadu and the late Chancellor of Universities of Tamil Nadu, and he himself is a great example for integral humanism, its applications in governance, and he will do it government office will be knowing, will be experiencing such a great governor, sir. Most respected keynote speaker, Saraswati, all the way from Delhi, President of Indian Council for Cultural Relations, and directly Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. G. Ravi. I would have made this university to have many more credentials in this university, such as dedicated educated Professor Sindhuraj, the Registrar of the University. All activities of Pandit Deendayal Upadhyaya, not only activities that reach the writers, all those things are being implemented under the leadership of Professor Ramaniam. Our good leader, Dr. Malaya, is here, and I have respected only very scientific community of the great institutions and teachers, friends, invitees, இந்தியாவிலேயே அருமையான அன்பான அன்பான மாணவர்களே, I will not take much of your time. I am not going to present about government, but this is integral humanism. This is to be implemented practice. It is being practiced by all of us. Only thing we need to strengthen it. We all together convey our tribute to Abdul Kalam ji. That's what the last word our speaker spoke, Antyodaya. The last person of the society should be taken up. Our ego, not that is problem India, even the Delhi goes to India. No other generation. The last person can be from the that's our religion and government of India. So, we practice the last thing, the last person to the highest position. Similarly, Abdul Kalam ji, when he occupied the position of President of India, and President of India when he became a coming and poet guru that we need a wherever the protocol wherever the paper of this country, when he was giving newspapers to every house, 7 years, 8 years, the train even sometimes don't stop, they throw the papers, he gathers before the newspaper. But when the boy came, President of India, all papers, newspapers, all over the world, they write, the missing man of the country has become President of India. That the Tamil poet writes, வீடாக பேப்பர் போட்டவருடைய போட்டவை பேப்பராக உலகம் முழுவதும் கொள்கிறார்கள். இந்த humans. Sri Pandit Deendayal Upadhyaya has told, this is what he has told. And he says that chitti, he has rightly told the word chitti. It is like a personality. We have personality. You know, coat, suit, sometimes go be here, doing this and that. This is the individual's personality. But he says, it is the personality of the country. If you go to governors or even after he was recognizing, addressing, giving awards to those who are winning top 20 ranks. Top 20 rank. The last he told I request all of you to join for the financial process governance. This is the identity. This is the culture. This is the personality of the nation. If you go to any other country, in all countries, nobody waits for lunch. Nobody. This is the identity of that. That's what. Integral humanism says it is a city. It means the reflection of the personality of Bharat. எல்லாருடைய ஒரே போற்றி எல்லாட்டவருக்கு இறைவா பகுதி everybody born in the world should be part of our family. We are all one family. One family. If somebody starts in some other country, we feel very bad. We are not able to. Not only simply feeling. Thanks to our Prime Minister, our government of India, when we were all suffering during the period of COVID, it not only he took care of us, but also he made programs to us to survive. And the Prime Minister of India started to know who are protected, who are given second life. He does not know the name. But every country, every nation, all of you take something. But one also gave us very good to the head. Professor is here. Nana is a temple. Whenever they open once for 3 days during COVID period, we are going to go to Ajana. The Ajana, Mr. President, we do Ajana, my son. And many people did Ajana for surveying iron, person who is doing ironing, who is doing vegetable researching, for all those things, people they do Archana. We used to ask who are doing Archana with God for others. They say that if they are not affected with COVID, we also will not be affected with COVID. So, my servant should not get COVID. My person is doing ironing for me should not get COVID. The person is eating vegetable should not get COVID. Integral humanism. That is what Pandit Deendayal Upadhyaya says many years ago, and that's reflected in our governance. If you see, go to our governance office, like our President of India, and previous spiritual person in Navarathi will be celebrated, because I have there 3 years as a Tamil Nadu University, most of the times, sometimes invited, sometimes uninvited, we go to governance office, and we take all Navaratri, Chindal, Vadapati, whatever you give, spiritual, brilliant. Next year, he organizes a great program on, His Excellency organizes a great program on artificial intelligence. Previous day, spiritual quotient. Second day, AI, artificial quotient. So that is how the balanced development is not the individual's development. The whole Bharat, it was like that, all comes from Bihar. If you all go even today, you go to Bihar, you can see on Nalanda, 2000 years ago, 10,000 students were given individual accommodation. Even if they did not write a university here, which are individual accommodations for 10,000 people today. To Bharat was a great country, and 2,000 teachers. Students in those days itself were actually very like neat. They all from various countries, Burma, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Malaysia, they all came here and visited. So, it is integral humanism. And the next day, if you go to our government office, you can see even today, you go see the Bananas, great Bananas celebrate. Why that is integral humanism. When somebody is starving, I take care of myself is not a good governance. That is the reason thanks to Honorable Government of India see that so many human-centric schemes, so many schemes, some of them I read because of what I present here. Pandit Deendayal Upadhyaya National Welfare Fund for spokesperson. See the diversification. See, Deendayal Antyodaya Yojana, Deendayal Upadhyaya Gram Jyoti Yojana, Deendayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushalya Yojana, Pandit Deendayal Upadhyaya Shramev ke Jayadev Karyakram, Pandit Deendayal Upadhyaya Garibi Mukt Gram Yojana, and similarly Deendayal Upadhyaya Swayam Namah. If you see most of the so many PMs, schemes, if you all these around 100 schemes I have noted, if all these 100 schemes, if you see, browse, read the meaning and the implementation side, ultimately you can see the
D say ढोकला, धनिया, dynamite, diaper.
because how the government of India takes us towards Viksit Bharat. Before this was not pronounced by our honorable government of India, honorable Prime Minister Ji, even we did not know the path. Where does it go? Where does it go? Now there is an objective, clear objective, 2047, India should be a developed country for which Pandit Deendayal Upadhyaya all principles, particularly humanism, integral humanism, should be implemented through governance. Then the real sustainable development will be there. As a result, Viksit Bharat and all these children will be able to see the developed country. Whereas, இங்கே காரைக்குடியில புல்லட் ட்ரெயின் போகும். நாங்க பார்க்க போறோமா இல்லையான்னு தெரியல. நீங்க எல்லாம் காரைக்குடியில புல்லட் ட்ரெயின் போகும். சொல்ல முடியாது. மாடியில இறங்குறது இறங்கும். மாடியில இறங்குறது இறங்கும். The speed with which the ladies from our government of India or government of India goes, speed with which it goes sometimes, even when it is not very up to the market before that, the development country you can see. For which, that is very important. City is very important. City is the personality of the nation. Personality of the country. You also imbibe that nation first. Nation first. The attitude of nation first alone, particularly all these young children, nation first alone will take us towards Viksit Bharat. That feeling we should have very beautifully. It was explained by our honorable keynote speaker. So, last one is Dharma. Dharma. Dharma, as rightly said, is not always related to religion. Dharma is our duty. Our duty. Even Fortune 500 companies, they have given a survey how they will get things done from employees, you know. Even there, 30% people are contributors. They do excellent contribution. Companies are growing. Other than the 80%, whatever the revenue you do, I give it up. Up to the start doing it. Second, and 90% people even find Fortune 500 companies, they don't follow the Dharma. The Dharma means doing our duty that they simply come 2 times punching, 1 time lunch. 2 times punching, 1 time lunch. Take the salary and go. How can we reach it? How can we reach Viksit Bharat? So the city and the city represents, I'm not saying, just repeating what the father and repeating what the visionary leader Pandit Deendayal Upadhyaya told that the city, the nation to personality first, nation first. And then students work to study, teachers work, teaching. Even 100 years ago, military work to protect the nation. Even today, military work to protect the nation. Our duty is not very. If we do our duty done, city, the result is Viksit Bharat, that should be integrated with our day-to-day governments. It may be any office or house. it should be integrated. As a result, we will have sustainable development, we will have a Viksit Bharat, we all can see a developed Bharat and take care of whole world. தனி ஒரு மனிதனுக்கு உறவில்லை என்றால் ஜகத்திலே அழைத்து விடுவோம். Somebody is not eating in Africa, somebody is not eating in Sri Lanka, we cannot tolerate Bharat. Such a great ideas are only with the Bharat. So we take this opportunity to thank those organizers, particularly the license of the University of Christine for organizing a wonderful program. We all continues our preparation of India for taking us in the right path and also the CCTV and our government being a model to us and taking us as those things in the path. Secondly, we all say all that we convey our gratitude. Thank you.